Frustrated by the Sxsmigplugin Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Avoid long manual edits for Sxsmigplugin Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Sxsmigplugin Library, the side-by-side SXS migration plugin. It manages the localized transfer of winSxS assembly manifests during Windows upgrades or feature updates. It ensures that legacy DLL versions required by specific apps remain registered in the localized assembly cache. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If Sxsmigplugin Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Sxsmigplugin library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32. Followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Sxsmigplugin Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Sxsmigplugin Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Sxsmigplugin Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.